So the giant puffball mushroom is another mushroom that has a bunch of lookalikes that can be dangerous. So it's important to just keep an eye out for them. This website, this blog, Curative Mushrooms, has really good like guidelines of how to identify a fresh giant puffball by the following characteristics to make sure that it is not toxic or it's still fresh to eat. Um, and there are a bunch of it lists like a bunch of different lookalikes, but the giant puffball is pretty recognizable. But still, always good to be safe rather than sorry. And as for recipes, there's the classic fried puffballs from foragerchef.com. And it's pretty much what it sounds like. It's a fried giant puffball. And I haven't personally tried this recipe yet, but I am thinking about it the next time I find a giant puffball.